Buffalo, New York has been transformed into a frozen battleground. Intense winds combined with heavy snowfall are creating extremely dangerous travel conditions, bringing parts of the city to a near standstill. Within hours, powerful winter weather turned streets into impassable corridors of ice and snow. Buffalo, New York, has been transformed into a frozen battleground. Intense winds combined with heavy snowfall are creating extremely dangerous travel conditions, bringing parts of the city to a near standstill. Within hours, powerful winter weather turned streets into impassable corridors of ice and snow. Buffalo, New York, has been transformed into a frozen battleground. Intense winds combined with heavy snowfall are creating extremely dangerous travel conditions, bringing parts of the city to a near standstill. Within hours, powerful winter weather turned streets into impassable corridors of ice and snow. Thousands of residents are facing extreme cold as power disruptions affect parts of the region. Emergency shelters have been opened for those without heat or who became stranded during the storm. Some residents report abandoning their vehicles and seeking shelter on foot as conditions rapidly deteriorated. State and local authorities have issued emergency warnings, urging residents to remain indoors and avoid all non-essential travel. Officials stress that even short trips can quickly become life-threatening under these conditions. Emergency crews remain on high alert, responding to calls despite the dangerous weather. As Buffalo battles this powerful winter storm, officials warn that dangerous conditions may persist. The combination of heavy snow, extreme winds, and bitter cold serves as a stark reminder of nature's force. Residents are urged to stay informed, stay prepared, and above all, stay safe. ****